20th century was a real attack on manhood.
Boy, that's
It needs to be a
I think that's
husband,
ongoing.
a father,
Yeah.
a man.
and that's what this book many are called to show that God
You
gives us
began with that in your
supernatural
book.
grace.
You talked about
Father
manhood.
Joe Freedy, the great quarterback now who's a priest in the Pittsburgh Diocese, and many others like him too have discovered their manhood, not in spite of being priests, but precisely because of their priesthood.
All right. We have a caller on the line. Hello, it's John from Wisconsin. Hello, what's your question for us?
Thank you, Marcus. Listen, I've been married for about 30 years, and I've got a feeling that, a calling that I need to become Catholic, and every time I talk about it with my wife, she throws up a wall. And I don't want to tear my marriage apart, but I've got this calling already, this feeling that God's calling me to the Catholic Church. Do you have any suggestions how I can deal with this with my wife and,
Yeah.
you know?
Thanks, John. Great question.